In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert trademark symbols into Google Docs, whether you're working on a branding document, writing a legal paper, or just want to ensure you're acknowledging trademarks correctly. Knowing how to insert these symbols is essential. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you can do this smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll need to open your web browser. This is the initial step as you would need to access the internet to use Google Docs. Once your browser is open, direct it to google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click this sign in button. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos, then hit next to proceed. Now it's time to enter your password. As you would with your email address, type your password carefully to avoid any login issues. Once done, click next again to finish logging in. After you're successfully signed in, look towards the upper right side of your screen. You should see a small icon that resembles a grid or a box. It's usually close to your profile picture. Click on this icon to reveal more Google apps. From the list, select Google Docs. This leads you to the Google Docs homepage. Now, once you're in Google Docs, you have the option to either create a new document or open an existing one. For this tutorial, choose the document where you want to insert the trademark symbol. As the document opens, position your cursor at the exact spot in your text where you wish to place the trademark symbol. With your cursor in place, navigate your eyes upwards to the top menu bar. Here, click on the Insert option. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Special Characters. This is where you'll find a variety of symbols, including the trademark ones. In the new box that pops up, you'll see a search field. Click on it and type the word trademark. This will filter the options and show you the relevant symbols, which include the standard TM symbol and perhaps other variations. To insert, simply click on the OutTM symbol that you see, and it will be seamlessly added right where your cursor is in the document. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a trademark symbol into your Google Docs document. By following these steps, you can efficiently handle trademark symbols in any of your future documents. Thanks for watching and happy writing!